Hello, this is Vipul Sangvi from Janak Enterprises Jet Machines, Bhavnagar. We are into manufacturing of semi-automatic and automatic pipe cutting cold saw machine since last 14 years. Mainly we have in semi-automatic category we have three different model. One is this JE350 which is a medium duty machine. We also have one smaller model that is called JE315. Of course this is half done, and we have one heavy duty cutting machine which is JE375. This is also uncolored but it is finished. As you could see, it's a much bigger gearbox. It's a 100 Newton meter output gearbox with parallel transmission, all helical gears, and much bigger body and much heavier in strength. Kindly keep this machine in mind because I will give you the reference of this machine in the video further. And for your information, we make one of these machines every day. So we produce about 25 odd machines every month. What you could see here is a gearbox what we used to manufacture about 2 years back. This has been discontinued 2 years back. This was our first initial model of JE375. This was designed by us and then discontinued by us. During that time, one of my junior design engineer, Sohit, who had basically stealed or the drawing and tried to manufacture it himself, he took away this design and tried to do it. But coincidentally or luckily, you may say, we discontinued with this machine or with this particular gearbox immediately after that, due to the fact that this was our first model of 375, and we realize with the customer references that there are a lot of weaknesses in this machine. Mainly the module which we had used or currently being used by Sohit 385 also is a 2mm module. So it's too little and too small a module to transmit a heavier torque. Also this Bosch was only 12mm and this module was also 2mm. Normally what problem we faced is at the time of heavier load, this gears used to break from here, both this area, this one and this one used to break. So we discontinued with this particular model, and then we redesigned our gearbox, the one that I had showed to you. The gears which are utilized currently in my current gearbox, as you could see, is a much bigger, heavier structure. The Bosch is also far more bigger. The modules are 3.5 compared to 2. It's a 3.5 and 3 respectively. So the transmission is also far better. Of course, I have not shown one more transmission gear here, which comes in between for the secrecy purpose. But just to give you an idea, compared to our older gearbox drawing, which is a failure drawing, which is currently being utilized by Sohit 385 machine, is not as good as what we are doing right now. So the request is not to compare my JE375 with Sohit 385 machine, because it's a failure machine which has been now manufactured and marketed by Sohit Engineering. To further authenticate or my claim, because it was our design, it was our first design, we have all the information, of course all the 3D model of that same design. As you could see, this is the same model, same machine model. Ubhe reja utana na kar, ubho reja bhai. This is the same motu kar. This is the same model utilized by Sohit Engineering right now. As you could see, the motor is just behind the gearbox, all parallel transmission. This was our first initial design, which he actually stealed and tried to make a machine. But as I rightly told you, this machine has got a lot of weaknesses. This gearbox has a lot of weaknesses. And hide kari de. And olu fari pachu de kari de. And gearbox hide kari de. Gearbox hide kari de. This gearbox has got a lot of weaknesses. As I told you that these two modules, this used to break at the time of load, and even this Bosch used to break. So we discontinued with this design. This is to authenticate, or this is to give you a confirmation that the design or the gearbox utilized or being manufactured by Sohit 385 was originally our gearbox, which he has steeled and trying to make it, and it's a failure design. It's a failure discontinued design at our end, what we have now disposed.